On our last video, we completed our electric, septic, and driveway checklist. Then we picked up the RV and brought her home and gave her a bath. But here's the thing, we have to hit the pause button because I had one more year in my 30s and the boys decided to surprise me with a little getaway. So we're going to Jamaica before the RV remodel begins. So here we are, we're leaving Dallas to hop on a boat in Galveston, Texas. Her name was the Carnival Vista. Oh yeah, also it's worth mentioning that there's this really cool place called Moody Gardens in Galveston, and they have an amazing ice sculpture display that's around at Christmas. Definitely a must-see. They hand carve something like 2 million pounds of ice and have a different scene every year. We stay there every time that we go on a cruise. But don't forget your jacket because it's a constant 9 degrees at Iceland. Okay, where were we? Yes, Galveston. We've set sail. Okay, this is the first time we've ever had an inside room without a balcony. It's called the Family Harbor Stateroom. It has large screen TVs and games, a complimentary breakfast and snacks down in the family room. So yeah, it was a hit. I was kind of thinking that the balcony would be super missed, but really with the amenities and the space, we didn't really miss it because we're outside on the deck most of the time anyway. Another cool feature is that kids that are 11 years and under could dine free in certain restaurants. And they also get one night free of night owls so parents can have a night off. Well, today's the day. It's my birthday, and we can disembark and go to the Grand Palladium in Jamaica. Oh man, I don't even know where to begin with this place. It's a spa that overlooks the glistening white shores with warm Caribbean seas. Oh man, it was gorgeous. I tell Chad and Whitt all the time I would do anything to go back. So hey, maybe one of my next birthdays. Hint, hint. It was just a short bus ride from port to the Grand Palladium, and it did not disappoint. This place was definitely one of my favorite excursions. That and Choconog. Oh, look, there's the urchins right there.
Immense amount of moss that's over here. On the ocean. See what? Oh yeah. Oh, what's that? There's another little guy.
They're everywhere.
Hi, buddy. Oh. Here, that's got slap name.
Well, it's my birthday, and the boys are taking me to the show. It's more for me than it is them. They spoil me on my birthday, so taking one for the team. Wow, what a night. I don't do birthday cake, but I do donut. I get one every year on my birthday. So, Chalkanob is one of our favorite excursions, and Cozumel has one of our favorite piers. If you ever decide to go on an excursion, this is Charlie. He's one of the best, if you ask me. We've had him on plenty of excursions, and he's just a hoot. When you enter Chalkanob, you'll see these little tiny fish that like to eat the flesh off the bottom of your feet. It's kind of weird, but I'd highly recommend it. The eco-archaeological tours are great, but we can't forget the sea lion show. Check it out. my gosh, every time I watch that, that's just the cutest thing. But okay, so whenever you walk in, this is the view that you get. You can sit outside or you can sit inside at this really amazing buffet that's got all-inclusive drinks and food if you buy the package, which that's what we do every time. It is delicious. The beaches are amazing. The sand is so clean and the water is so clear. We love to go snorkeling, and this has got great visibility in the water. You know what? I'm just going to pull up some old pictures of a past trip where they even have underwater statues. It's pretty cool. Okay, hopefully Whitt won't kill me for this, but everywhere we go, he finds a place to nap. And this was just another one of those spots where I caught him. I definitely recommend going to the back of the ship and lounging in one of the clamshells for sunset. These girls were amazing, so talented. I know that if Whitt had his way, he would have stuck around for hours, but we listened to a few sets in the lobby and then went about our way. So this was our last day at sea, and I just want to say thank you so much to my boys for planning this trip for me. It was one of my favorites. So we soaked up some sun, and we went to the art gallery and the comedy club. We even had a little bit of time to play a few hands of poker, so that was really fun. Also, there was this place called Bonsai that was really good. I remember their sushi being top-notch. I would stop there as well. Well, we're back in Galveston, and I must say we've been on many ships, and Carnival really is fun.